And good afternoon. We just want to bring you up to speed with what's happening with our weather as we get ready to start this Memorial Day weekend. Looking at the weather computer there, you can see that large area of low pressure to our west, and then the storms obviously breaking out ahead of it. Hi, it's Kurt. We're tracking these storms with you this afternoon, so we want to jump back into the boards and show you what's going on. These storms are going to be around this afternoon. As we get into early evening, they'll break up to just some scattered showers and a few storms, but let's go ahead and zoom in on this area and show you what it is we're tracking very closely. So over central Pennsylvania, it's been raining now for the last couple of hours. Started out towards Renova, Lock Haven, and it's gradually working its way to the east. But these storms are coming up from the south. So we did have a tornado warning, by the way, down just north of Harrisburg, and all of this energy is moving in this direction. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into motion for you so that you can see for yourself. See how the storms, they're south of us, but they're moving north and east. So as they're moving to the north, they're also, that whole line is shifting to the east. So this is what we're going to see in this direction here. Whatever's going on down here to the south, that's what's coming in our direction. So we're going to monitor this very closely. What do we have issued for watches and warnings? Well, just south of our viewing area, we had a tornado warning issued. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning issued for parts of Snyder and Union counties, and those storms that I just showed you are going to be moving through the Lewisburg, Sunbury area. You can see that come down here just a little bit. When you get those darker colors like that, that's an indicator of some heavy downpours. I'll just highlight this area right here. And this is where we have a concern for some flooding. This is also, by the way, the bullseye on some of the data that we have for where our highest rainfall totals will be out there in central Pennsylvania. Let me show you that right now. As a matter of fact, here's future rainfall. So you see out there near Danville, that's showing 2.1 inches of rain by the time all the storms are said and done, showing about 1.3 there in Wilkes-Barre, 1.6 in Hazleton. So flash flooding, a real concern. Of course, we're always concerned about the potential for severe thunderstorms, but flash flooding, we could have some areas with poor drainage, some of the smaller streams. We'll have to watch those. And high winds, too. We had that severe thunderstorm warning issued by the National Weather Service. And I can't rule out an isolated tornado, especially in central Pennsylvania as those storms move through. I want to go back to the radar picture. We do have the attributes on. You can see all the lightning that's going on with that, cloud-to-ground lightning, and also even potential for a little bit of hail there. So if you're living in these areas, be prepared. It's going to be moving in your direction. Let's just go ahead and put a little cone on here to give you an idea of the timing. Looking like 2 o'clock in Bloomsburg, 2:15 in Berwick, 2:31 in Nanticoke, and we'll go upstream just a little bit, or downstream rather, and show you the Trout Run area, because all of this is going north. And here's another example of where they will be going. Trout Run at 1:40. So it's there now. Stroudsburg, you can see Dewshore, looks like Laceyville, Tunkhannock, all included in that line of showers as it's going to be gradually moving to the east. So we're keeping you updated because we want you to be prepared. Know that, in fact, there's going to be the chance for some of these storms. Let me just clear that off real fast here as we do this live, and I'm going to go ahead and put it into motion. So there's your storms. They're going to be moving through this afternoon. Notice behind the storms, we're not really seeing a lot, just this sporadic light shower activity. So that'll be the case as we get into the evening hours. Between now and, say, 5 o'clock over eastern Pennsylvania, get ready. They are coming. And then beyond that, they'll just be spotty. But we'll continue to keep an eye. Then later tonight, I want to jump to future radar here, because later tonight, we're going to be looking at the potential for some more storms. See, there's 4 o'clock. See the storms over our region, future radar. There's 5 o'clock. Now the storms are heading out after 5 o'clock, but then we just have this spotty shower activity that'll be here. And then notice once we get beyond 9 o'clock, look at this. Another wave moves in, and that'll bring us another round of some downpours and potential for a few more storms. So even though we may not see any flooding with this initial batch that comes through, we may have some flash flooding from the second batch that comes through later on tonight. So keep an eye to the sky. That's the bottom line. If you're going to be outside today, showers and thunderstorms, you want to download that WNEP app so you can stay informed if, in fact, there is a tornado or severe thunderstorm warning issued for your area. Once we get beyond today, we have another round tomorrow where there's going to be the chance for some showers and thunderstorms. But then beyond that, it's looking much better for the second half of the Memorial weekend. As you can see, some scattered showers and storms tomorrow afternoon, followed by clearing Saturday night, Sunday 82, and Monday looks like we're going to be talking high temperatures near 90. So we just wanted to bring you a quick update, let you know what's going on. I think there will be some more severe thunderstorm warnings issued as we move through the afternoon. And of course, we will break right in if there is a tornado warning issued for any one of our counties. So stay safe, download that WNEP app, and have yourself a wonderful Memorial Day weekend.